Another rainy day pouring down. I wanna smile, but there's only a frown. Guess I'll just watch some TV. Starting at until about 2:45. Doorbell rings, it's John and Stan. Let's go hit that new club, come on man. I reply, I'd like to, but it's raining. Oh come on man, stop complaining. Yeah, come on man, there's gonna be chicks galore. Yeah, like Katie, Cindy, and so much more. I thought for a minute, said okay fine. I didn't know I was in for a hell of a time. When we got there I went straight to the bar. Had I known I would have driven my own car. Got my drink, spun it back around. The chick I saw made my jaw hit the ground. She made her way over right beside me, ordered a Coke and sat right by me. I gave her a line that really gave me no chance. She answered me back and then asked me to dance. Yeah, I can't believe it. We're dancing on the dance floor. No way, no way, I can't believe it. I really couldn't ask for more. No way, no way, I can't believe it. She had me in a trance. No way, no way, I can't believe it. A rainy day trance dance. No way, no way. She took me for the dance and went and got another Coke. I walked right back up to her and told her a little joke. She giggled a little bit, then she coyly bit her lip. Back out on the floor, she put my hands on her hips. She and I were swaying to the music. Her legs were nice and long and sleek. I asked her if she had dinner. She said she likes to eat at Sunset Diner. I know the place, I said, agreeing. Is there anyone that you are seeing? Keep options open, is all she said. Well, I said, they have good bread. I can't believe it. We're going out to eat. No way, no way, I can't believe it. She's so cute and sweet. No way, no way, I can't believe it. Can't believe I'm taking the chance. No way, no way, I can't believe it. On a rainy day trance dance. No way, no way. On a rainy